Classical conditioning, a bell can stimulate hunger in Pavlov's dogs. Operant conditioning, reward enhances behavior, punishment weakens it. Positive reinforcement, add something pleasing to boost behavior. Negative reinforcement, remove something detrimental to increase it. Punishment, apply negative or positive reinforcement. Maslow's hierarchy, N basic needs then dreams. Freud's ID ego-superego, crushing desire, reality, and morality. Defense mechanisms, denial, projection, mind guards itself. Piaget's stages, child's thinking evolving through 6 stages. Erikson's stages, every age brings a new identity crisis. Attachment theory, childhood bonds shape adult love. Strange situation, a baby's reaction when mom leaves and returns. Social learning, learning through observation, monkey do. Bobo doll experiment, exposed to violence, kids become more violent. Cognitive dissonance, tension when beliefs and actions clash. Confirmation bias, we seek facts that align with our beliefs. Halo effect, attractive people seem smarter and trustworthy. Attribution error, others' mistakes imply character. Our own indicate circumstances. Bystander effect, scarce help when more people are around. Milgram's obedience, people submit to authority. Stanford prison experiment, power corrupts quickly. Groupthink, suppressing doubts to fit in with the group. Placebo effect, a sugar pill can heal when we believe it will. Zeigarnik effect, unfinished tasks stay in memory. Mere exposure effect, repeated exposure creates liking. Self-fulfilling prophecy, we promise failure, and fail. Learned helplessness, failure discourages trying. Growth versus fixed mindset, I can't, I must try. Emotional intelligence, understanding emotions matters over intelligence. Dunning-Kruger effect, less knowledge, overconfidence. Availability heuristic, we judge risk based on easily recalled experiences. Anchoring bias, the first number sticks. Peak end rule, remembering the most intense moment. Flow state, focused, losing track of time. Big 5 traits, 5 core personality traits defining everyone. Introvert versus extrovert, energetic from solitude or socializing. Nature versus nurture, both genes and environment shape us. Multiple intelligences, many kinds of smart. Working memory, a mental sticky note. Long versus short-term memory, some memories vanish quickly, others last. Forgetting curve, unpleasant memories fade after a day. Gestalt principles, the brain forms patterns naturally. Theory of mind, understanding others' emotions. CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, change thoughts. Then feelings/behavior follow. Locus of control, do you control your life, or others control it? Social proof, when unsure, follow others. Pygmalion effect, believing in someone's growth, they rise. Imposter syndrome, feeling a fraud even if successful. Spotlight effect, people focus on their mistakes.